Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how much I made by selling digital product on Gumroad. This is my last month. I earned over $300 by selling simple PDF on Gumroad. And this is my traffic source I use. First is Gumroad, best platform I recommend you. The second is recommended by Gumroad. Gumroad will recommend your product to others. I recommend you to use threads for make your first sales. This is threads. You don't need to create video or blog post, but you should to add a real value to your audience for make sales like this person do. Like let's show the profile, look the followers, look the engagement. If he sell digital product too. Look this. Look at this. I will show how to create, how to create content on threads. Use only ChatGPT. But like this, we copy this text and go to ChatGPT. We copy this text and go to ChatGPT and copy paste and tell ChatGPT to create like this post. ChatGPT, you're writing this post and you copy it. It's the same, but you don't have the copyright. You don't worry. Go to Gumroad. No, go to the threads and paste the text. And in comments, promoting your ebook here. The link in ebook with call to action. Where you should to post at least 5 to 7 or 10 posts every day. This is work. It actually look I have 2,000 visitors on Gumroad, and that's it. And if you want my exact method to make your first $100 by selling digital product, this is my free ebook. I will leave the link in the description. Download it and read it. And see you the next one.